at drawing the nets of, I'll just draw it above as a title. We're drawing the nets of pyramids. Okay. Now, from a previous video, we described what a pyramid is. A pyramid has a regular shaped base. So in this case, it's a square. At the top, we have a triangle. And the base here we have is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape, so a pentagon. So we need that, plus the remaining sides need to end at or culminate in a vertex. A vertex is another word for a point. So we can see here that all of these end at a vertex. Therefore, these are all pyramids. So let's firstly describe the shapes. This is a square-based pyramid. The next one is a triangular-based pyramid. And the last one is a pentagonal-based pyramid. Now, if you shorten that to square pyramid, triangular pyramid, and pentagonal pyramid, it's pretty obvious what you mean. So, let's continue with drawing nets of pyramids. Now, why are we drawing nets of pyramids? Well, we're trying to find the surface area of these solids. If we can draw a net, it means we can make a clear representation of how to find the area of each one of the sides. So let's look at this first one here. This has got one base and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So we've got the front and back, and we've got the sides, left and right. So in this case, we should draw a shape that has 5 sides to it. Start off with the base, and then unfurl. So let's start off with this left-hand side. This 4 is going to be unfurled, and you may notice it'll come somewhere like this. Okay, and let's do 5 now. Unfurl the other side. Okay, now I'm going to draw these here because we know that all of these should be equidistant. They should all have the same length. Okay, next one, let's unfurl the front and back. And you may notice the pattern already. And these are all of the same dimension as they're of the same line. Okay, so there we have it. We have our shape. Let's just label it. So there we go. We've drawn a net of a square-based pyramid. Now with this, we can start looking at how to find the surface area of the shape by just simply adding up 4 triangles plus 1 square base. Let's do the next one, a triangular-based pyramid. This one here we can see has a equilateral triangle base. So we start off with that. And we'll call that 1. Now this one here, you've got at the back there 2, 3, and at the front you've got 4. So in total we should have 4 faces. Now all of these just open up squarely. So you just want to draw it something like this. And these are quite nice shapes. Oh, let me redraw that one. Okay, now these are all meant to be of the same dimension because we can see that each of the edges share a common side. So therefore, all of these should be the same. So I'm going to indicate this by drawing these lines here, which means that all of these edges are the same. Let's label where we got those. That was 1, that was the back one, 2, this was 3, and that one was 4. So there we go. We've drawn a net of a triangular-based pyramid, and you may know that that one was drawn a little bit poorly, but it is what it is. You know what I mean. Let's move on to the next one. It's a pentagonal-based pyramid. Okay, so a pentagonal-based pyramid, as always, we start with the base by drawing out the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are regular. We're assuming it's regular, and that's the base there. Now, how many sides come off this? Well, there's 5 edges, so therefore 5 shapes must come off. So let's draw that and they're all triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we know that all of these will be equal. So I'm going to use double dashes for that. And then we have it. We've got our pentagonal based pyramid, and that's the net for that one there with a base like that. So overall, this is how we draw nets of pyramids.